Hey, it's Broch Lassig here with the Lassig Team at CrossCountry Mortgage with your November 2025 market update, brought to you by Loans Elevated. Mortgage rates over the last month are bouncing around like a ping pong ball. They still hover where they have been over the last 60 days, sitting in the high fives to mid sixes depending on the program. The government shutdown and inflation data has hardly moved the markets, but what has been moving rate markets is employment data. And with the government set to open soon and more employment data set to be released as soon as it opens, you can expect volatility to continue and maybe even get worse. As for real estate in Utah, the median days on market increased to 46 from 43 last month, but this is right in line with seasonal trends, so nothing to be concerned over. The exciting news is median list prices and median sold prices increased by about 3% month over month, rebounding from last month's 2% decrease. Inventory also dipped slightly, which is great news, and the market remains very healthy. Homes continue to sell, and buyers continue to strike gold on opportunities with significant seller concessions. This month, we're highlighting one of the most underrated and misunderstood loan programs that exists, and that is the VA home loan. Here's a few unique details about the VA home loan that many people don't understand. First off, you can use your VA home loan benefits more than once, and in fact, you can have more than one VA home loan at a time. You can even use a VA home loan on an investment property. Also, there are no hard limitations on debt-to-income ratio on the VA home loan, making it a very flexible program for homebuyers. Additionally, there are no strict loan limits on a VA home purchase, meaning you can finance millions with no money down and potentially no money out of pocket in these market conditions. Another very unique facet to the VA home loan is the seller can pay up to 4% seller concessions no matter how much you put down. These seller concessions can be applied towards the typical closing cost, rate buydowns, temporary rate buydowns, but additionally, they can go towards paying off the borrower's debt on a VA mortgage. And last but not least, as a thank you to our veterans, the Lassig Team here at CrossCountry Mortgage waives all of our lender fees on any VA home loan. If you're a qualified veteran or service member, the VA home loan is one of the best tools you have earned with your service to this country. Whether you're a home buyer, a seller, or somebody who just wants more information about home financing, we would be glad to help you. Feel free to reach out anytime. You can find all of our information at loanselevated.com.